In 1977, a radio telescope in Ohio recorded a powerful signal from deep space. It lasted just 72 seconds. The scientist who found it circled the printout and wrote one word beside it: "Wow." For over 4 decades, no one has been able to explain it. And that's just one of many strange signals we've received from the cosmos. Could someone or something be trying to contact us? Or is there a deeper cosmic message we've missed entirely? We live in a universe flooded with radiation, signals, and noise, but every now and then we hear something different. Signals that don't follow natural patterns, that come from no known stars, that repeat, vanish, and reappear years later. And yet, most people have never even heard of them. Why? Because they challenge everything we think we know. The wow signal is just the beginning. Fast radio bursts, or FRBs, are ultra-powerful flashes of radio waves that last milliseconds. We've detected dozens, some one-time events, others repeating every 16 days like clockwork. One source, discovered in 2020, lies over 500 million light-years away, yet it blasts energy in a millisecond that equals the sun's output for a full year. How? No one knows. That mystery alone is enough to fuel endless speculation. Some say alien civilizations are using massive radio pulses as interstellar beacons. Others believe they're caused by magnetars, exotic neutron stars with magnetic fields trillions of times stronger than Earth's. Both are possible, but neither explains all the anomalies. And here's where it gets wild. In 2003, astronomers noticed a repeating signal at 1420 μMs, the exact frequency hydrogen atoms emit. That's a frequency SETI researchers have long speculated aliens might use for communication. Coincidence? Maybe. But then came the Lorimer burst, the repeater from M82, and multiple patterns pointing to the same band. Could nature really be this weird? Or is something intelligent out there, broadcasting? Before we go further, if this blows your mind, hit that subscribe button. We dive into facts that seem fictional every week. Let's keep going. In 2019, a signal known as FRB 180916 started pulsing every 1635 days. 4 days of activity, 12 days of silence. Repeat. Just like clockwork. That regularity baffled scientists. It wasn't random, it wasn't noise, it had rhythm. But the source was far beyond our galaxy. So what kind of object could behave so predictably and so powerfully from that far away? Even more confusing, some bursts have structure, peaks, dips, echoes, like a language. We don't know the alphabet, but we can see the pattern. And humans are wired to recognize patterns, which is why people want to believe it's alien contact. But here's the hard truth. We simply don't know. And sometimes, not knowing is more terrifying than any answer. Because what if we're hearing the last remnants of a dying civilization, sending a signal into the void, hoping someone out there is listening? What if we're the only ones who heard it, and we didn't answer? Or worse, what if we weren't meant to hear it at all? These questions aren't science fiction. They're real debates in scientific journals. Because these signals exist, and the more we listen, the more we hear. So what are they trying to tell us? Maybe everything. Maybe nothing. Or maybe we're just beginning to tune in. Drop your theories in the comments. And if you're still thinking about this later tonight, you're not alone.